Okay, for this session, I will be interviewer.
And I will be the interviewee.
Okay, let's start now. Thank you for coming today. Could you briefly introduce yourself?
Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be interviewed for this position today. So my name is Coriena Natasha, and I graduated with bachelor degree in civil engineering with honors from University Malaysia Sarawak with CGPA of 3.25. I recently completed a 3-month internship at Press Metal in Bintulu, where I gained hands-on experience in site inspection and structural drawing. I am a proactive individual with a strong foundation in structural analysis and a passion for sustainable designs.
Okay. Why are you applying for this position?
I am applying for the civil and structural engineer position because I want to launch my career in a firm known for technical excellence, having developed a strong interest in structural innovation during my degree, and I am eager to contribute my skills in AutoCAD and structural analysis to a professional team that values qualities and sustainable solutions.
Why are you interested in working for our company?
I have been following MLK Consulting Engineers and admire your commitment to delivering high standard engineering solutions. So your company provides the ideal environments for a fresh graduate like myself to learn from industry experts while applying Eurocode standards to real-world projects, which align perfectly with my academic training.
How has your educational background prepared you for this position?
My Bachelor of Civil Engineering provided me with deep theoretical knowledge of structural analysis and design codes like Eurocodes. Beyond the classroom, participating in site visit to major infrastructure projects such as the Gagat River Bridge allowed me to understand the practical complexities of large-scale civil works.
Okay. Tell us about a project, internship, or assignment that is most relevant to the position.
My internship at Press Metal Bintulu is the most relevant experience. My role involved conducting site inspection to ensure construction work made safely and quality benchmark, and I also assisted the senior team in reviewing structural calculation and updating the technical drawing using AutoCAD, which taught me the importance of precision in our field.
What strength do you have that will help you succeed in this role?
My core strengths are my technical proficiency and my attention to detail. I am highly skilled in AutoCAD for 2D plans and MATLAB for complex calculation. Additionally, my experience as a school prefect and secretary of the English club has equipped me with strong communication and leadership skills, which are vital for teamwork.
Describe a challenge you faced during your studies and how you overcome it.
One challenge was mastering complex engineering software while managing a heavy course load. During my survey camp at Sea Beach Resort, we had to process large amounts of data under a tight deadline. I overcame this by organizing a study group where we share tips on software shortcuts, ensuring our team completed the field work and analysis accuracy and on time.
Do you use any tools, software, or method to ensure tasks are complete efficiently?
Yes, I rely heavily on AutoCAD for drafting and MATLAB for data analysis to ensure accuracy and speed. For organization, I use Microsoft Excel to track project milestone and daily progress. I also find that Canva and Gagat also one of the applications that used for presentation for project updates.
What are your career goals for the next 3 to 5 years?
In the next few years, I aim to become a graduate engineer, register with BEM, and gain comprehensive experience in structural designs. I hope to lead small to medium-sized projects at these firms, eventually specializing in sustainable construction methods that reduce the environmental impact of the infrastructure.
What are your expectations from us as your employer?
I expect a collaborative and professional environment where the mentorship is encouraged. As a fresh graduate, I'm looking for a company that will challenge me with diverse projects while providing the guidance needed to grow into a competent, licensed professional engineer.
Thank you for attending this interview. Do you have anything else you would like to add?
Yes, I would like to add that I am genuinely excited about the possibility of joining your company. Although I am a fresh graduate, I am eager to learn, open to guidance, and ready to take on new challenges. I believe my academic background, internship experience, and also my strong willingness to improve would allow me to contribute efficiency to your team. So if given the opportunity, I will give my full commitment to learning quickly and delivering my best in every task that is assigned.
Okay, that's all. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. Alright, for the next session, I will be the interviewer.
And I will be the interviewee.
Alright, so hello. Thank you for coming today. Could you briefly introduce yourself?
Hello, and thank you for inviting me today. My name is Anasthasia Gloryna Gagat, and I recently graduated with a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from University Malaysia Sarawak. During my studies, I developed skill in AutoCAD, technical drafting, and structural design. I also complete internship where I gain exposed to engineering documentation and steel structure drafting. I am hardworking, responsible, and fast learning person, and I am excited to begin my career as a steel structure drafter or detailer.
Alright, so why are you applying for this position?
I am applying for this position because it matches both my educational background and my interest in structure drafting and detailing. I enjoy preparing technical drawing and learning how engineering design are translated into actual structure.
Alright, so why are you interested in working for our company?
I am interested in working for our company because your company is involved in steel structure fabrication and engineering project which align with my career goals. I believe your company can provide valuable industry exposure and opportunities for me to learn from experienced engineers and drafter. I am eager to contribute my skill while continuously improving myself professionally.
Okay. How has your educational background prepared you for these positions?
My educational background has given me a strong foundation in technical drawing, structure, engineering principle, and problem-solving skill. During university, I complete several assignments and project using AutoCAD and work closely with teammates to complete tasks within deadlines. For my degree final year project, I work on a steel structure design project where I apply drafting and structure analysis skill. This experience helped me become more organized, detail-oriented, and prepared for a professional working environment.
Right. So tell us about a project, internship, or assignment that is much relevant to this position.
During my internship at Schlumberger, I was exposed to offshore steel structure drafting and engineering documentation. I assist in preparing structural layout involving beam, columns, and connection details using AutoCAD. This experience improved me technical accuracy, attention to details, and understanding of engineering standard and documentation process. I also complete on internship at the Sarawak Rural Water Supply Department, where I handle technical customer report, verify documentation, and coordinate with maintenance team. This experience strengthen my communication and problem solving skills.
So what strength do you have that will help you succeed in this role?
One of my strengths is that I am a fast learner and willing to accept feedback to improve myself. I also detail-oriented, which is very important, preparing technical drawing and checking drafting accuracy. In addition, I can work well independently and as part of a team. I am responsible in completing tasks and always try to deliver quality work within deadline.
Alright, so tell us about a time you work in a team. So what was your role and contribution?
During my final year project, I worked in a team with several classmates. My responsibility was to prepare drawing, organize project information, and ensure the drafting work was updated properly. I also communicate regularly with my teammates to make sure everyone completed their tasks according to schedule. Through this experience, I improved my teamwork communication and this management skill. And time management skill.
Okay. So what motivates you to perform well in your work?
I am motivated by. Sorry, can you repeat the question? Alright.
So what motivates you to perform well in your work?
I am motivated by opportunities to learn new skills and improve my knowledge. I also feel satisfied when I successfully complete tasks and contribute positively to a project or team. Seeing my work produce a good result encourage me to continue improving and performing well.
How do you ensure your work is organized and that you are able to meet deadlines?
I usually plan my tasks according to priority and prepare a schedule to monitor my progress. I also use reminder and checklists to stay organized and avoid missing important deadlines. In addition, I make sure to communicate early if I face any challenge, so that work can continue smoothly and efficiently.
Okay, so next questions. What are your career goals for the next 3 to 5 years?
In the next 3 to 5 years, I hope to become more experienced and skilled in steel structure drafting and detailing. I want to strengthen my knowledge in AutoCAD, BIM, and engineering documentation, while gaining more exposure to real engineering projects. My goal is to become a reliable and competent drafter who can contribute effectively to the company's project and growth.
Alright, so thank you for attending this interview. Do you have anything else you would like to add?
Yes, thank you for interviewing me today. I truly appreciate these opportunities to introduce myself and share my experience. I am very interested in this position and eager to contribute my skill while learning from your team. I hope to grow professionally with your company and become a valuable members of the organization. Thank you again and have a nice day.
Thank you for coming today. Have a nice day.